For someone in recovery from addiction, managing flu or a cold can be particularly challenging because it may involve extra care to maintain recovery and avoid triggers while also focusing on physical recovery. Here are some ways an addict can keep themselves safe and supported while recovering from illness. Stay connected to support systems. Reach out to your sponsor or support group. If you're in a 12-step program or have a recovery community, staying connected can help you stay grounded during your illness. Talking to someone who understands your journey can prevent feelings of isolation or stress. Stay in touch. Let trusted friends, family, or fellow recovery members know you're not feeling well so they can offer support and keep an eye out for any signs of relapse. Prioritize rest and recovery. Avoid pushing yourself. If you're recovering from both illness and addiction, overdoing it can lead to burnout or cravings. Make sure you're resting and getting enough sleep to allow both your body and mind to heal. Stay gentle on yourself. Don't feel guilty for needing time to recover. It's essential to listen to your body and take breaks from any activities that could feel overwhelming. Stay away from triggers. For example, if you're staying home alone and feeling bored or anxious, be careful not to isolate yourself too much. Avoid being around people who may offer substances as a way to feel better. Distraction. Engage in non-triggering activities that help pass the time, such as listening to podcasts, watching supportive videos, or reading recovery-related literature. Be cautious with over-the-counter medicine. Some cold or flu medications, especially those containing certain stimulants or alcohol, may trigger cravings or interfere with recovery. It's always good to consult with a healthcare provider or your sponsor before taking any new medications. Stay clean from all substances. If you're recovering from addiction, it's important to avoid using any substances that could trigger a relapse, even if they're legally or medically prescribed. Mind your mental health. Manage feelings of loneliness. Illness can make you feel isolated, which could lead to cravings or a desire to numb emotions. Stay in touch with your support network and engage in positive self-talk. Hydrate and eat well. Stay hydrated and nourished. Even if you're not feeling like eating, maintaining a balanced diet and drinking fluids is essential for your physical and emotional well-being. Low energy from dehydration or malnutrition can make you more vulnerable to cravings. Snack on healthy, recovery-friendly options. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals can support both your immune system and overall well-being. Monitor your symptoms closely. Stay aware of physical changes. Sometimes illness can bring about symptoms of depression or anxiety, which could cause someone in recovery to feel vulnerable. Being mindful of how you're feeling both physically and mentally will help prevent any possible setbacks in your recovery. Avoid overusing comfort foods. Stay mindful of comfort eating. Some people in recovery may turn to food as a way to cope with stress or illness, so it's helpful to avoid overindulging in comfort foods that could lead to unhealthy habits or emotional triggers. Stay positive and patient. Acknowledge the challenge. It's okay to acknowledge that recovery from both illness and addiction is a tough journey. Stay positive and patient with yourself. Take one day at a time, and remember that healing is a process for both your body and your mind. By using these strategies, someone in addiction recovery can still manage the flu or a cold while protecting their recovery and overall well-being. Balancing both physical and mental health is important for a successful recovery journey. Look after yourself, and as you know, this too shall pass.